The iPhone 18 Pro Max is no longer just a distant rumor. As of May 2026, it has become the most anticipated piece of consumer technology on the planet, representing a seismic shift in how we perceive the intersection of artificial intelligence and hardware engineering. This isn't just an incremental update or a slight polish on last year's model. It is Apple's definitive statement on the future of the smartphone. We are standing at the precipice of a new era where your device doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs before you even voice them. The leaks coming out of Cupertino and the Asian supply chains are painting a picture of a titanium-clad powerhouse that redefines the limits of mobile photography, processing speed, and display technology. If you thought the previous generations were impressive, what you are about to hear regarding the 18 Pro Max will make everything else feel like a relic of the past. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The buzz surrounding the May 2026 leaks suggests that Apple is finally ready to move beyond the physical constraints that have held smartphones back for the last decade, introducing materials and sensors that were once relegated to the realm of science fiction. The core of this revolution starts with the A20 Pro Bionic chip, a processor built on an industry-first 1.4nm process that essentially puts the power of a high-end desktop workstation into the palm of your hand. This isn't just about opening apps faster. It's about the massive leap in neural engine capabilities. We are looking at a dedicated AI core that handles trillions of operations per second with such efficiency that the concept of battery drain is becoming an afterthought. Analysts are suggesting that this chip will allow for real-time, on-device generative video editing and 3D modeling, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max the ultimate tool for creators who need to produce high-fidelity content on the move. Imagine being able to render a full-length cinematic scene with complex lighting and textures directly on your phone while riding the subway. That is the level of performance we are talking about here. But hardware is only half the story. The visual experience is where the 18 Pro Max truly begins to pull away from the competition. The leaked reports indicate a polycrystalline diamond coating over the promotion display, making it virtually scratch-proof and significantly more shatter-resistant than any ceramic shield we've seen before. The peak brightness is rumored to hit a staggering 4,000 nits, ensuring that even under the harshest midday sun in the desert, your screen will look like a vibrant, backlit poster. This display isn't just bright, it's intelligent. New LTPO technology allows the refresh rate to drop down to a mere 0.1 Hz to preserve battery, while ramping up to 144 Hz for gaming and high-speed scrolling that feels like liquid under your fingertips. The integration of under-display Face ID technology means the dynamic island is evolving once again, becoming even more unobtrusive and allowing for a truly edge-to-edge immersive experience that makes the hardware disappear, leaving only the content. Camera technology has always been the crown jewel of the Pro Max lineup, and 2026 is the year Apple breaks the 100-megapixel barrier. The primary sensor is expected to be a massive 1-inch type sensor, a feat of engineering that allows for natural bokeh and low-light performance that rivals professional mirrorless cameras. This isn't just about resolution. It's about light gathering and color science. The new quantum dot color filters will ensure that every skin tone is rendered with perfect accuracy and every sunset has the depth of reality. Furthermore, the telephoto capabilities are reaching new heights with a variable optical zoom lens. Leaks suggest a seamless transition from 3x to 10x optical zoom without any digital cropping, giving photographers the flexibility of a professional zoom lens in a package that fits in a pocket. For videographers, the introduction of 8K 120 frames per second ProRes video recording means that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is effectively a pocket-sized cinema camera, capable of capturing detail so fine that it can be projected on a theater screen without losing a hint of clarity. Connectivity and ecosystem integration are also seeing a massive overhaul. With the rollout of Wi-Fi 8 and an advanced 6G ready modem, the 18 Pro Max is designed for a world where the cloud is local. Latency is virtually eliminated, allowing for cloud gaming and remote collaboration that feels instantaneous. Apple is also rumored to be introducing a MagSafe 3.0 system that doesn't just charge your phone, but allows for high-speed data transfer between devices, potentially signaling the end of the USB-C port in favor of a completely seamless, hole-less design. This move toward a portless future has been rumored for years, but the 2026 leaks suggest the technology for stable, high-speed wireless recovery and data is finally ready for the masses. It represents a bold step toward a device that is a single, solid slab of glass and metal, impervious to water and dust in ways we've never seen. Pricing, of course, is the topic on everyone's mind, and the 2026 leaks suggest a strategic shift. While the entry-level Pro Max price is expected to see a slight increase due to the soaring costs of the 1.4nm chips and the new camera sensors, Apple is rumored to be introducing a new 2TB tier to cater to the massive file sizes of 8K video. We are looking at a starting price that reflects its status as a premium professional tool. But when you consider that this single device can replace a camera, a laptop, and a gaming console, the value proposition becomes clear. This is an investment in the next 5 years of your digital life. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a phone. It is the hub of your personal and professional world, refined to near perfection through years of relentless innovation. As we move closer to the official announcement, the excitement is only going to grow, because for the first time in a long time, it feels like the future has finally arrived in our hands. Every leak, every CAD render, and every supply chain report points to one conclusion. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is the definitive masterpiece of the smartphone era.